I'm about to show you something that breaks how I make YouTube videos. I take my script, I paste it in Claude, and Claude reads it, picks the best moments, and builds the animations for me automatically. And everything you're seeing right now on screen was built this way. So let me show you how exactly it works. The tool we're using, it's called Remotion. It lets you create videos with code. But the best part is, you don't write the code. Claude does. You describe what you want, or even better, you give Claude your script, and it figures out the rest. So watch this video, and by the end of the video, you will have your first animation rendered and ready for your video. First up, before installing Remotion, we need 3 things: Node.js, Claude Code, and 1 command. By the way, you can find the links in the description, and also if you join our school, I will help you personally. After that, open a terminal or PowerShell and paste in this command. This will get into your documents folder. And after that, run the create command, which is again on your screen and also in the description. It will ask you a few questions. We pick hello world, then click yes for tailwind. This makes styling way faster. Yes for agent skills. This is actually the part that really matters. This teaches Claude how Remotion works. And without this, Claude doesn't know the framework. With it, you can talk to Claude in plain English and it writes the code, which is what we need. After that, you have to go into the new folder. You can actually name the folder whatever you want. We have tutorial for this example, and install everything. And after installation is done, we can use this command to start our studio. This will open a browser, and this is Remotion Studio. You can see the preview in the middle. Basically, it looks really similar to Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. So keep this window open and open second PowerShell or second terminal and go into the same folder. For this example, we use the tutorial folder and run Claude. Just type in Claude and click enter. This opens Claude Code inside your Remotion project. Claude can see your files now, and this is where you type the prompt. So window 1, the first terminal, runs the studio, and window 2, the second terminal, runs Claude. That's the whole install. So now I'll open the project of the video you're watching right now, and you can see all the animations I showed in this video. For example, let's play this one. We also have this one. And by the way, if you want to export, just click render and export these files, and then you can use it in any editor you want. But now I'll show you an example how to actually create something. So to do that, you have to jump into the terminal and jump into Claude. And basically right here, you paste in your idea. So I prepared 1 prompt. If you click enter, you can see it starts to create your prompt. And actually, I did it before doing this video. This is what you get. Riko Nazza AI, subscribe. Okay, number is a bit higher, but maybe one day. And this is what animation we got. It took me around 1 minute to create this animation. And if you would do it manually, it would take, I don't know, like maybe half an hour to actually do so many different elements, so many different movements. And this is like 9-second clip. So again, I think this is a really great workflow. But as I mentioned in the beginning, if you're working with longer files, you can actually open Claude, create projects, or for example, paste in this prompt. I'm pasting my full video script below, read it and find 5-7 moments that could actually be a B-roll, and then create prompts. Claude will read the full script, find the best moments for B-roll and also animations, and after that create full prompts you can paste in back into Claude to create these animations. So this is really great workflow, and additionally you can create multiple animations at the same time. So I plan to use this in my future videos, and of course guys, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.